So guys, this is where we ended the part 1 of this video. Okay, so if you are yet to check it out, please do well to check it out. All right, so this is the concluding part, which is the part 2. Okay, I will put the link in the description box, so do well to check it out. All right, so we have beat to this point. Okay, so we beat to 33 inches. All right, so keep watching. Okay, so now that we have knotted, we are going to fix our hook now. Okay, so to do that, I pick 8 gold bead. All right, and I will drop it. So now after dropping it, work your needle. This is your line, like this. Just work your needle through this bead right here and pull it. So I'll work my needle back into the bead. Then pass my needle through the 8 bead we just added. Okay, so this is my line. I'm still going to work my needle through the beads again. I'll do that for like 4 times. Okay, I'll keep passing my needle through the 8 beads for like 4 good times. So now that I have worked my line through the 8 beads for like 4 times, okay, I'll then knot it. All right, so to knot it, just pass your needle through the line like so, and then pull it. So you can do that for 3 times, so just to secure it. Okay, so now that we have knots, all right, if you have been following my tutorial, I don't cut my fire line at the point where I knot. You have to secure your fire line. So by so doing, you just work your needle, all right, through some beads just to secure the line. Okay, work it through some bead as much as possible. So this is what we have, guys. So repeat the same process to the other side as well. Okay, repeat the same process to this side. Okay, just like this. And this is it, guys. So just pick your jump ring, all right, and then follow the process. Just keep watching. Okay, so I appreciate you all for still staying by watching my video. If you are yet to give this video a thumbs up, please and please and please give this video a thumbs up. If you are finding my channel or this video for the first time, you are welcome. Subscription is free. Okay, so just hit on the subscribe button and then turn on the post notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. Okay, so just keep watching and follow the process. You can do it. All right, you can. So now that we are done fixing the hook, see how beautiful it is. Okay, at this point I'm not going to talk. Please just concentrate on what I am doing. Okay. From this part to this part, from this part, so I'm fixing both together. Okay, so I pick one bead from this side. Now I pass the needle through the other one, just like so. I hope that is clear. you can see that we have fixed both together now at this point. So we are not going to leave this place just like so, okay? We just need to put something here. If you have flour, put flour. If you have whatever you know you can use to make it beautiful, you don't leave it just like so, okay? So what I am going to use is this, okay? This is the flour I'm using, and also I have 30 beaded ball from the blue bead. Of course, this is gold, and then this is blue. All right, so I'm just going to place this on heat, and also this on heat like so, okay? So keep watching. I don't want to do much talking at this point. Just keep watching what I am doing. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. So let's continue. So now I'm just going to knot it, all right? It's not that hard. Just fix it properly the way you know you can fix it. So now that I have knotted it, so I'm going to fix this 30 beaded ball on heat like so, okay? So we are done fixing the flower on the necklace, okay? Are you still here? You're still watching my video? Wow, thank you. You are wonderful. Thank you so much, and I appreciate your support. I hope you enjoyed today's class. God bless you. Give it a try and then leave me your comment in the comment section, okay? So thank you so much. If you are yet to give this video a thumbs up, oh my goodness. Please give this video a thumbs up. It is very, very important, okay? And share the video if you can. If you are finding my channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. Join this awesome family by hitting on the subscribe button. Okay, so see how beautiful it is. Okay, so thank you all for watching. I appreciate you. May God bless you. Oh, super duper beautiful, very easy. Just get your seed bead and then do something. Like I said, you can do it. You can see the hook, so beautiful. It's super beautiful. Thank you for watching. See you all in my next video, and then stay blessed, remain blessed, stay safe. Bye bye.